G'day! Emails are a big part of staying connected. But scammers can sneak in through fake messages too. Let's learn how to spot phishing emails and stay safe. Scammers send emails pretending to be from real businesses or people you know. They want you to click links, download documents, or share private information. But with a few simple steps, you can protect yourself. Watch out for these. Emails from people you don't know. Anyone asking for passwords, money, or personal details. Email addresses that look odd or misspelled. Attachments or links you weren't expecting. Messages that try to scare you into acting quickly. Big warning sign. To stay safe, only open emails from people or companies you trust. Hover your mouse over links to check where they really lead. Delete suspicious emails straight away. Never click on links or download attachments. Never share personal details by email and keep your devices updated for extra protection. Before you click anything, remember, stop. Don't open or click unknown links. Check. Is the email really from someone or a business you can trust? Protect. Delete suspicious emails, use strong passwords, and secure device settings. Phishing emails can be sneaky, but you're smarter. Stay safe online, and I'll see you next time for shopping online safely.